Look, hating on me, don't stop shit. Only help a real nigga cause. Hood.
If you're new to forex trading and you're wondering or you're asking yourself how you can do forex analysis, and you have heard of several types of analysis like the top-down analysis, the trend line analysis, the Fibonacci extension analysis, the support and resistance analysis, and then you're wondering which one is the best, or which one can I use, or which one is preferable. Okay, fine. That's what this channel is all about. That's what today's lectures is all about. I'm going to be teaching you about all the forex analysis that are in the market and which one to be using. All of them are all very good. So the functions of each one and how to use them. Okay, I'm going to list them. There are types of forex analysis in the market. Number one, we have the top-down analysis. Number two, we have the trend line analysis. Number three, we have the Fibonacci extension analysis. Number four, we have the support and resistance analysis. Okay, if you listen very carefully, I have not mentioned any indicators here. Yes, that is because I am using price action strategy where I read my charts, forex charts, the way they are. I train my eyes to see candles. I read candle movement, open price, close price. They all mean a lot to me. So I don't use indicators to trade. I'm not saying using indicators is not good, but for me, I don't just feel okay to use indicators because they can make mistakes. Yes, if you just mix one settings, it can result in very huge mistakes. So and I believe training my eyes to know, oh look, this is a rejection, I should start selling here. I look for a better time to start selling this gold is better off than getting an indicator that will tell me, oh, like the RSI, this is oversold or this is overbought, start selling. Okay, so let's dive into top analysis. Now I'm going to do a video where I will talk about all this analysis one by one. The top-down analysis, the trend line analysis, the Fibonacci and extension analysis, the support and the resistance. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Click the like button, share to your friends, to people that might need this kind of lectures, and also don't forget to like, because when you like this video, it tells YouTube that look, this content is good, and they will show it to more persons. Okay, let's dive down to number one, top-down analysis. Now, top-down analysis is a type of analysis that will require you to start from the highest time frame and start coming down and start analyzing. You read the information in the highest time frame. For instance, now you go to the monthly time frame and then you gradually come down. Like let's do it together. Like the monthly time frame, now you can see that the markets is buying as an upward movement, and then this was the lowest price and this was the highest price, and then there was a rejection there. So we will try to know what the market structure on a larger time frame, on a bigger picture, so that we'll take a position maybe in the smaller time frame. So the monthly is already telling me that look, there is a rejection, and I'm seeing a triple top here. So if you don't know how to run analysis, you don't know how to do forex analysis, you are new to forex market, please do well to watch this video up here that will show you, or that will teach you everything about how to run analysis. So let's continue. So over here I'm seeing a triple top, 1 2 3 4, almost 4. understand, and then there's a rejection. And a triple top in the forex market is a sign that, look, this market is about to reject. Yes, it's about to reject. So now I slowly come down to the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame, I'm already seeing that the market is still buying, and then there's a 2 candles here, which is a sign that, look, after this 2 candle close, the next one will be a minor retracement before going back to the buy. And you know, a minor retracement on the weekly time frame is huge on the smaller time frame, so it will be a great signal if you can wait for it. So if you don't know how to read candles, there's a video up here as well too that will tell you, that will teach you how to read candle, or that will teach you how to take an entry or make an entry using a candle. So let's continue. So now the next one is, I will slowly come down to the D1, and in the D1 I can still see that the market is still buying. Okay, so and slowly come down to the 4 hours, and you can see that the market is selling right now. So I can also come down to the 1 hour. So I can take my position right here. I can take my entry here, and then I wait for this market to retrace and form 2 candles from these 4 hours. After it forms 2 candles from these 4 hours, I take a break. That's where I'll drop my TP1, take a break before, if actually I will have to come back to this trade again. So that's how to run a top-down analysis. There are some traders, depending on your strategy, if you're a day trader, if you're a swinger, if you are a scalper, it determines whether you are going to be using the 15 minutes or the 1 minute etc. Okay, that's for top-down analysis. For trend line, the strategy for trend line is very easy. I'm going to go ahead and clear this. I'm going to go ahead and reset this. So the strategies for trend line analysis is, okay, I have done top-down analysis, and I know that the market structure is a buy, but it's a minor retracement. It will be a minor retracement later on. So now I want to really get what the market is going to be doing. So I'll come down to the 4 hours time frame, and then I'll pull up my trend line. Yeah. So if you don't know how to draw a trend line, there's a video up here as well that will teach you how to draw a perfect trend line. So I'll pick up this. I draw my trend line, and mind you, there are types of trend line. There are trend line that you draw as if they go horizontally. There are also trend line that goes vertically. So do well to watch my other videos about trend line. This is the vertical trend line. That's the vertical trend line. Yeah, that's a vertical trend line. So now we are not interested in this area. We are not interested in this area. We are interested in this side. This is the side we are interested in, because this is the last movement of the market. So we're not interested in this area. So now in this area, now you can see there are many touches here. There are many touches. You can see there are many touches, and then the market finally broke out to a very strong buy, and broke out from here. You can see from this trend line, and there was a retest after a trend line. It is what we call retest. So please do well to watch that video, because in that video I talked about fake breakouts and how to draw your trend line correctly and accurately. So let's continue. So there was a retest, and after the retest, the market still pushed back to a strong buy, and then before the market will continue its movement again, there would be another retest again, but this time around it might not reach this point, except maybe this movement is over. So you might maybe get to some level, might get to this level and then push back again. Understand? So that is for trend line. So trend line can also be used to tell you how to enter the forex market. Understand? So that's for trend line analysis. The next one is the Fibonacci analysis, a Fibonacci extension analysis. I have also, as usual, I've also made a video where I explain in details about the Fibonacci extension, how to use it, how to draw it, how to set it. So this is the Fibonacci extension. For instance, now how to use it. I go to the last candle, the last movement in the market. So this is the last movement in the market, and then I pull up my Fibonacci retracement tool, and then I place it here because I'm targeting to take a sell, so I'll drag it down. If I'm targeting to take a buy, I'll drag it up. So now I'll close it at the immediate closing price. So you can see where my line is. Okay, I'll do a video where I will teach in detail, so try and watch that video. In this video, I'm just only talking about the types of analytical strategy you can use for your forex trading. So now when I pull this, now this point 0 is, of course, is my point of origin, and that's if you're drawing a graph. So from this point, now when the market gets to 0.79, that is a confirmation that I need to enter this market a sell, 0.79. And then this 0.79, I'll place my stop loss below this 0.29, 20 pips. That's if I'm not going aggressive. If I'm going aggressive, I use 10 or 11 pips or 14 pips or 12 pips maximum. So now let's say I'm not going aggressive, I want to just trade normal.